Hi everyone, I hope you all are fit and fine by the mercy of Almighty Creator. Right now I am sitting on this chair and reading this book, and you can see this is our English language club, and there is no one on this room, only me. That's why I am recording this video. I am recording this video only for my English speaking purpose. So today I would like to talk about the Friday. My topic is Friday. As you know, Friday is a special day for Muslim community. In this day, we perform Jummah prayers instead of Johar prayers. Before begins Jummah prayers, Imam delivers the speeches based on Quran and Hadith. He guides us to develop our faith in creators. He gives advice based on his reflection, and it encourages us to believe in God, believe in creators. On the other hand, this day has also important significance. In this day, I mean in Friday, the Prophet Adam, peace be upon him, created on this day, and he was sent in paradox in this day. And uh, according to the Islam, our Qiyamah, I mean the day of judgment, will happen on Friday. That's